Good morning, Wildcats, and welcome to Thursday, February 11th, 2021. Today I am live in Miss Bettis's second grade classroom, and I have three special pledgers, and their names are
David, Saul, Lucero.
If you could please stand, place your hand over your heart, and join David, Saul, and Lucero as we say our Pledge of Allegiance. We're going to go ahead and stand, place our right hand over our heart, and face the American flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now the Texas flag.
Honor
The Texas flag.
I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one nation.
And today is Thursday, so we'll go ahead and do them in Spanish as well.
Juro la bandera de los Estados Unidos de América,
Pública que representa una nación,
de Dios invencible,
libertad y justicia para todos. Y a la bandera de Texas.
honro la bandera de Texas, prometo firmar a ti, Texas, un estado bajo Dios invencible.
Will you please remain standing for a moment of silence? Thank you. You may be seated. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel safe, loved, and respected, be it at home, on the bus, or during the school day. If there is anyone at home, at school, or on the bus that makes you feel unsafe, unloved, or disrespected, please tell someone. Find a trusted teacher, parent, any adult, your counselor, your nurse, your coach, your teacher from this year, your teacher from last year, and let them know that you do not feel safe, loved, or respected. We do not have any student birthdays in the house, but we have two celebrity birthdays in the house. Happy 21st birthday to Mrs. Vargas in 5th grade and to Mrs. Zavala. We do hope that you wish them a very, very happy birthday. Our announcements today, it's still Black History Month, Dental Health Month, and also Teacher of the Year elections begin. There is a training for 3rd to 5th grade teachers. Also, students, please remember to maintain social distancing at all times before you go in the cafeteria, when you leave the cafeteria, while you are in the cafeteria at all times. Also, please remember to keep your hands to yourself. Remember that your hands are not for hitting, but we must also follow COVID-19 protocols, and that means that we cannot touch our neighbors. Our character education theme for the month of February is responsibility, but today we'd like to go ahead and read you a Black history fact. Wilma Rudolph was crippled as a child, yet she became the first African-American woman to win 3 gold medals in 1 Olympiad during the 1960 Olympics, which were held in Rome. All right, so with something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours!
That's right, Wildcats. We hope that today and every day you choose to make it a terrific Thursday. As enjoy your breakfast. Tell the ladies that serve you breakfast, thank you. And make sure to put your mask on as soon as you are done.